So guys, after making the dress, this is how it looks. So beautiful. You can see the design is very beautiful. In today's video, I'll show you how to make a beautiful dress using your lace trimmings to design it. The bust point is 11.5, half length 17.5, then the hip is 26 inches, that is 8.5 inches. So guys, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Then from here, my shoulder measurement is 15 inches divided into 2 give me 7.5. Then from the bust point, you mark 1.5, which will be the armhole. That is Then from this point, I will remove half an inch, that is, it will be 6.5 instead of 7.5. Then I will as well mark 6.5 here. Then connect the lines. Now mark 6 cm. Shoulder slope. One inch shoulder slope. Okay. Then for the neckline, I'm using 3.5 inches. For the front, this is a V neckline. For the front, I will use 7 inches. Then for the back, I'm cutting both the front and back pieces together. You can see the front and the back. So go ahead and mark 2 inches for the back. Now go ahead and connect the shoulder slope here. From this point, I will come up by 1 inch. Then I will curve the armhole. So from the bust point, the bust measurement is 38 inches. Divided into 4 will give me 9.5 inches. I'll add extra 3 inches allowance to it. Okay. At this both sides, I will just add 2 inches. I don't want it to be much. Okay, I'll add extra 2 inches here. Then at the waistline is 35 inches divided into 4 will give me 8.75. I'll add the same 2 inches. Then the hip measurement is 39 inches divided into 4 will give me 9.75. I'll add the same 2 inches. Then I'll take it down to the hemline. Then at the down parts, I will use 15 inches. Or let's say 16 inches for the down part. Remember, the length is 60 inches. So this is 60 inches, but I will reduce it again because I'll be adding extra net to the down part. I want it to have a length. I'll be adding this net to the down part, okay? So I'll have to remove like 3 inches. I'll remove 3 inches from the main length. Okay. Then at this down part, to curve out the down part, I will mark 3 inches and make a curve with it. Then I'll cut it out. Then for the back, so the back will be having zipper. Remember I cut the same thing, I did not add anything. Okay. This for the back, while this is for the front. Now the length of the sleeve is 18 inches, so I'll remove 1.5 inches. So I'll add this to the mouth of the sleeve. So this is exactly 1.5. So 18 inches minus 1.5 will give me 16.5 inches. Okay, so 16.5. Because of the folding at the mouth, I'll add extra 1 inch, making it 17.5 inches. Now the armhole is 18 inches. 18 divided into 2 will give me 9 inches, and I added extra half inch. Now I will use this to design the middle of the dress. Place it at the middle down to the hemline. Okay, the same thing to the mouth of the sleeve. Now I want to cut out a facing for the front and back. So this is the facing. Just go ahead and face it right side facing each other. You can actually, if you want to make it front facing, you can actually make it front facing. Depending on if you want front or back, but if it's front, what you need to do is just to fold in using your iron the edges, just fold it in, then you sew it from the back and turn it to the right side. Okay, or just go ahead and fold. If it's front, if it's back, I will use it for back facing. Okay, just have to face the right side facing each other. I'll sew through. After sewing, then I'll turn it backward because I'll be placing the lace trimming at this point, so I don't need to face it at the front. So this is the front facing. Then for the lace, I will take it 4 inches because I'm going to hem the mouth of this lace before I attach it to the main fabric. So I'll go ahead and cut 4 inches. Remember what we removed is 2.5. I'm going to cut it and join. It will be a long one. Now I have the main dress. This is the front and this is the back. The lace trimming, this is for the hand, and this is the one I will use for the down part of the dress. Okay, this is the 2 sleeve. So I'll go to my sewing machine now and attach all these things, then put zipper. I'll fix this at the hand. I cut this thing into 4. I'll be joining it together, then make a gather for the back and the front pieces. Then I will go ahead and attach this one at the middle of the front dress. I'll go now and fix all of them, then I'll show you how it looks before I put all of them together. So you can see I fixed the lace trimmings at the middle. and at the down part I've joined the lace. The same thing to this side. Okay, this is the back. Initially I wanted to put a facing, but now I ended up adding a lining to it to make it more thicker. So I added a lining because of the nature of the material. Okay, so I've joined it. The last thing is to put everything together. I have to join the zipper. You can see the zipper. I'll iron it, then I'll fix the zipper for the back, then join the sleeve and close it up. You will see the finishing of the dress. It's very simple and easy. Okay, so these are the two back pieces and the fronts. So after joining, I will show you the final picture of how it looks. So guys, after making the dress, this is how it looks. So beautiful. You can see the design is very, very beautiful. This is the sleeve. You can see the bell sleeve, how it looks. Second sleeve. Then the design at the center, the lace at the down part. You can see it. Then I went further to attach pockets to it. You can see the pockets, the two side pockets. Then the back have the zipper. So guys, I hope the video is helpful. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. How do you feel about this design? Drop your comments at the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Give it a thumbs up, share to your friends. Keep watching for more designs, and bye until I see you in my next video. Bye.